Are you looking for the best electric tricycles for adults? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best electric tricycles for adults on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Admaticity Tri-Electric Adult Trike. The Admaticity Tri is the only foldable electric trike we've picked for our list of the best electric tricycles for adults. This model is the ideal tricycle for seniors with disabilities thanks to the laid-back and relaxed ride quality with full support from a powerful electric motor and large battery. Admata chose a padded seat with a backrest and long rider-facing handlebars to put you in the perfect position for a day in the saddle. The wide off-road tires also help absorb road vibrations and enhance the ride quality. Related best electric bikes for seniors you can buy. The City Tri's electronics are impressive, featuring 750 watts of power that will take you up to 20 miles per hour and easily flatten any hills. Most of the bike's weight is over the rear wheel, meaning the powerful rear-wheel drive will have plenty of traction, which is especially important on steep slopes or loose terrain. The 960 watt-hours battery lasts up to 90 miles on one charge. As an electric trike, the Admaticity Tri comes with a 380 pounds total payload capacity, lights, and fenders. Choose the Admaticity Tri if you want one of the best electric trikes for seniors or those with disabilities, and don't mind the higher price tag. Number 2. DMG 750 watts Adult Electric Trike. The DMG MG1703 is another off-brand 3-wheel electric bike with fat tires and a relatively high price. This e-trike has a powerful Bafang hub motor with 18 Nm of torque which can easily handle pulling heavy payloads. A large 874 watt-hours battery can achieve up to 45 miles of range using the throttle only and 60 miles with pedal assistance. The max capacity is below average, at just 330 pounds, but DMG includes front and rear baskets with a waterproof 58 litres bag for carrying your valuables. The 4 inches wide tyres and fork suspension give this model plenty of shock absorption for riding on bumpy roads and light off-road tracks, but the mechanical disc brakes are underpowered for a heavier tricycle. Many users complain about the MG 1703's complicated assembly process, so we recommend having it assembled by a professional if you're not a competent home mechanic. All things considered, this model is slightly overpriced compared to the other electric trikes for adults on this list, but it comes fully equipped and has a solid max range. Number 3. Emo Ocadie Pro Electric Tricycle for Adults. The Emo Ocadie is a fat tire electric trike equipped with baskets and comfort-focused components. Firstly, you get a comfortable saddle, wide 4 inches fat tires, swept-back handlebars, and a low step frame. These features make for a smooth ride quality. The caddy weighs 90 pounds but has a low max capacity of 330 pounds, almost 100 pounds less than the similarly priced trike. Power comes from a 500 watts motor with a max speed of 20 miles per hour. This motor pairs with a 749 watt-hours battery but only lasts up to 35 miles because of the inefficient fat tires and high weight. Many reviewers of this bike complain about the time-consuming and challenging assembly process, so if you're not a competent home mechanic, you may want to take it to a professional. Consider the Emo Ocadie if you don't require a high payload capacity and you want a cruiser-style electric tricycle for adults. Number 4. Melisa Electric Trike for Adults. The Melisa Forte is a high-capacity fat tire electric trike for adults from a small-scale US manufacturer specializing in electric mobility products. The Forte has a powerful 750 watts motor with a somewhat dangerous top speed of 26 miles per hour. The 624 watt-hours battery allows you to travel up to 38 miles using the throttle alone or up to 50 miles with pedal assistance. The 4 inches fat tires give you plenty of grip and shock absorption for riding on bumpy surfaces, but the powerful front hub motor can lose traction on loose surfaces or steep inclines. The mechanical disc brakes are slightly underpowered for such a heavy machine with a high top speed. A weight capacity of 440 pounds makes this one of the highest on the market, equivalent to heavy-duty cargo e-bikes. In addition, Malizo includes front and rear baskets with the bike, so it's ready to be the perfect electric cargo trike straight out of the box. Overall, this is a solid choice if you want a fast electric trike with a huge payload capacity and don't mind the extra cost.